That's kind of cool. Hey guys, how's it going? Let me go ahead and catch you up on what's been going on this morning. So I started off trying to get that sweet morning topwater action. And well, the best I can say is I think the bass slept in for Labor Day. There was nothing. I had 2 strikes in total, and that was it. It was kind of lame. But hey, because it has been a very long time since I've gotten to do this, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of fly fishing right here. It may be a little difficult because the water's not really moving today, but we're gonna see what we can make happen. And well, we're just gonna do it to it, man. So let's get some flies in the water. Alrighty guys, I can already say this looks far more promising than my bass fishing exploits this morning. I can actually see fish in the water here, as long as I can keep the fly out of these weeds. That's going to be the hard part. Yeah, fish on. There we go. That is a good start right there. Nice little sunfish. Start the morning off right. Little stripe, or spotted bass. Yeah, let's let you go. Alrighty guys, it is time to move in search of bigger and better fish. We're gonna go ahead and start working our way down the stream. Yeah. Hey guys, remember that snake skin? Well, there's the snake it belongs to. Right there. Holy snap. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's 2 snakes in here. 2 snakes. Oh boy. You know what? Nope. No. Look, there it is. Oh, and there was another one. I lost sight of that one. Well guys, I can honestly say I am very, very thankful that when I stepped on those rocks over there, those snakes decided to go that way, and instead of burying their fangs into my calf. So I'm not going to walk down the stream that way, and instead I'm going to go back up there where I came from. Hopefully I've made enough noise to scare everything away out of there and get around, and hopefully I won't get bit by a snake. You know, I'm not really one to normally be afraid of snakes, but for some reason today I'm not feeling the reptilian love. Plus, I'm not very good at snake ID, so I don't actually know what type of snake that was. That very well could have been a non-poisonous, very friendly snake. But you know what? I think it's best to just err on the side of caution and not mess with it. guys, I think this guy might be the last one for the day. I gotta go cook dinner. Well guys, that's gonna about do it for me today. It's getting kind of late and I gotta go put some meat on the smoker for dinner. Well, I hope you guys had fun tagging along with me while I got some nice creek fly fishing in. It's been a while since I got to do that. So quality, not so much, but quantity, definitely. Had a lot of fun catching those little panfish out of there. Got a little spotted bass action going on, and even an itty bitty tiny largemouth. Well guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I think it might be, nope, here. I think it's over here. I don't know, it could be over here. Like I said, I always get them mixed up because I don't know what direction I'm talking to when I'm talking on the camera. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button for me. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.